Sometimes you need immediate feedback on your resume, and you don't have time to wait for a career services appointment to get it. So I'm going to show you how to use Big Resume to get immediate feedback on your resume and to tailor it. The first thing you're going to do is go to whisk.biginterview.com. You can also find it through your My UW portal. We're going to log in and you're going to land on Big Interview. Now, Big Interview and Big Resume are related. Big Interview is for getting immediate feedback on your interview prep. So feel free to check that out if that's interesting to you. But right now, I'm going to talk about Big Resume. So on the top left, navigate from Big Interview to Big Resume. Now there's a fantastic resume curriculum here that takes about an hour. So if you're new to resumes, I would encourage you to check that out just to kind of learn the basics of how you should build your resume. And then once you have a resume you'd like feedback on, go up to the top and click Scan, and then click Resume AI. From here, you're going to go Scan my resume now. You can select a scoring guide. So there's a basic undergraduate resume scoring guide, which works great. Or if you're doing this for a specific class, you can do that as well. And then you can add a job description. And I would really encourage you to do this because this is where you get the best advice. It's going to make sure your resume is really nicely tailored for your job description. So go ahead and paste in your job description here. If you don't have one, there's also a generic job description from a ton of predefined jobs. Go ahead and upload your resume and hit Scan. It's going to take a few moments to scan your resume, and it's going to give you AI feedback. Now, this is AI feedback that has been vetted by a committee of career services professionals at UW. So it's all things that we agree with and advice that's very similar to that we would give you. It's not going to do any rewriting of your resume. It's just going to suggest things that you should change or add or exclude from your resume. So then we can check the feedback. So it's going to give you feedback in 3 categories: 1, readability; 2, credibility; and 3, format. This resume needs a little bit of work, but that's okay. You can work to get it to a silver or a gold ranked resume. So it's going to suggest some best practices for all of these really detailed sections. I would encourage you to look at the feedback, make changes, and then rescan it to see if you've matched better with the job description. Big Resume is a really awesome option when you need to tailor a resume very quickly to a job application and can't see us in time. We're also working during business hours, so maybe you need your resume scanned overnight so you can get in a last-minute application. Big Resume is a really good resource for that. If you'd like personalized help with your resume or any other career advising, please come see us at Cal's Career Services. We'd love to help.